Are you all tired? Mayuk? No, ma'am.
The glasses, ma'am.
Ma'am, we came last year, no, ma'am. Are you enjoying?
Yes, ma'am.
Who knows?
Hello, ma'am.
Hi.
One step at a time, boys. Don't push. Breathe. If there is no space, don't squeeze in. Hey.
Look here. Hello. Forbidden, होइन? राईहरूले मटन कहाँ खान्छ?
Ma'am, he's telling our shoes. Ma'am, Adrian. Ma'am, are you telling our
Everybody. यो बाटो हो?
सफा गरेर राखेको प्रपर्टी
Oh God. Hmm? Hmm? Hey, you were showing, no? Okay.
Did you have your lunch? Yes, I had chips. Where's your cap? Inside the bag.
Are you enjoying the walk?
Yes, ma'am, I am enjoying it very much.
So what did you see around?
I saw a lot of things. My favorite thing were the trees which were unharmed.
Unharmed trees. Like what? Show
Which
me.
were a lot of which were
Fruits. Did you?
Yes, I did see some fruits.
Oh, what fruit did you see?
It
Did you
was
see
red.
the fig tree?
Move!
I'll show you a fig tree, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
He's Ayushman. Ayushman. And he's enjoying. Tell the camera, are you enjoying?
I am enjoying the nature walk very much.
So what do you have inside your bag?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, he's giving me. What are you giving me? Thank you.
Somebody wanted to use the washroom, no?
No, ma'am. We are going to take one photo, ma'am. No, one photo. No, one photo, ma'am. Ma'am, one photo.
I have to
Move! You're on live, okay? Move! You run.
Oh, nice one. So you are also sir one. So one. Sir
also look.
So one. Yes. Looking very good.
See? Hey, move.
Move aside.
Move. Okay, tell.
I saw a repeating tree
Ah.
which had a branch which went like this, again like this, straight, again like this, 3 times.
Oh, that is a repeating tree. Oh my
It
goodness.
repeated its branch.
Where
3
did you
times.
see it? Let me show me.
Around at the first place where we stopped.
Oh, if you see a
There.
repeating tree again, show me, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
And this is Aryan, the football god. Aryan, the football god.
Let's take this.
Sangdup and Vivan. Oh, then there is the boy face. Let me see. Are you enjoying it, Laring? Are you enjoying the walk? Very good.
Yes.
That is what are they eating?
Natural sanitizer.
The smell is good. It is very bitter.
What is it? Pitapati?
Yes, ma'am.
Mugwort. It's called mugwort in English. Mugwort.
Mugwort is very bitter when you
Go. Towards DIV Chowk. Durpin. Towards Durpin.
Then when we'll go, ma'am, you have to do like that, ma'am. One train, Chibbo, Duty.
Do.
Yeah, Bhutan. Say no way.
Hey, come on, tell him.
What did you buy again?
Greenhouse.
What is it?
Bottle goods.
Bottle god.
Where is it?
So beautiful now, see?
Sawan sir? This is your bike is still there in the parking lot.
Let's come, sir.
Yeah, it's right over here. She is calling the same. Oh, boys, move.
Ma'am, see, see, Arun. Very good boy. Ma'am. It's not good, no, ma'am. Mickey also. We are in Durpin. Ma'am, why are you? We should take one Durpin because we are going to Durpin.
Abhishek. Come.
Maybe yesterday I thought you were lying, ma'am.
Huh.
And you told rescue team. Why you have to listen to class captain? Oh, go. Aryan is class captain, ma'am. And this boy is vice captain.
Very good. The scene is not seeing properly.
Yes, ma'am.
You can't see the scene properly.
Yes, ma'am. I can see the line only.
Yeah.
Tell me the way. Why a football stadium is always a cool place? Huh? My football stadium is always cool. My father said.
Move. Sir, move.
A tripod means. Ma'am.
Hmm?
Ma'am, from here.
Why are you here? No. The teachers are discussing and you're listening. He's stopping.
Okay. So dummy.
I know I'm not worried about myself. I'm talking about the...
Yep. Hey, don't touch. Hey, junglies. Aryan. Hey, move.
Leave now.
Come at the back.
Oh, ma'am, what is this? Yeah, eat kuching, ma'am.
Okay, let's pull. Aye!
Oh, ma'am, what's not here?
Better than me.
Up.
I think up.
Almost here and the last is. I got say why. Spider web. Say why. Maybe.
Move. Okay.
Give him that.
Ma'am, you picked.
About to. Ma'am, he's about to.
I'm really sitting.
You open your thing, no? Bag. There is.
Ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Also funny. No.
Bye.